So on this Hyundai 800 volt power pack, I'm told that these are 30 volts a piece. So you got 30, 60, so about 120 volts, give or take. So it's about 880 volts operating system. And this is for the front motor. This is a dual drive, and it shares the same on the back. That's the back drive. So it's dual motor, front wheel drive and back wheel and rear wheel drive. And that's the port. So this is a fuse right here. We're in a training facility here, so the output is disconnected. They have all the individual bars disconnected, so the maximum is only 30 volts at any point here because they have them all the bars are disconnected to keep it safe for training. But this output would go to this fuse, and then it would run through that bus. They consider that a bus. This is the BMS system, and this is the main relay. And this is where, if you looked at my other video where I was telling you I want to connect my solar directly to my battery in my Ford e-Transit. So really I need to get to this point and bypass the relays inside that controls this, that opens up the bus. So if I can basically touch these two with my solar, that's what I want to try and do. But keep in mind, it's not designed for that. We don't want to void the warranties, but we can certainly do some testing because I can get DC, at least in the Tesla, 400 volt DC, because the Tesla works at 400 volt. This Hyundai, the Lucid, the Rivian are working at 800 volt. And that's the last step, in my opinion, to the never-ending puzzle of EV charging. So we've got the NAC standard now, which is the North American Charging Standard, which is the Tesla. But Tesla and Ford are operating at 400 volt. These guys are operating at 800 volt. We need to come to a consensus. And once that's happening, or happens, it's game over.